In the 1960s, Subaru built Japan's first mass-produced boxer engine. Everyone else moved on. Subaru? They doubled down. Turbocharged boxer, all-wheel drive, snow, gravel, mud. This thing wasn't racing. It was committing crimes against terrain. And the reason it worked, the engine set so low, the car handled like physics had given up. But there was a problem. Boxer engines are balanced, but they are also emotionally sensitive. Tight engine bay, heat everywhere, if maintenance ignored, and suddenly the head gaskets say goodbye like a bad relationship. Enter direct injection. Then emissions laws arrived, and Subaru was forced to evolve. Direct injection. Fuel goes straight into the combustion chamber. More power, more precise, less fuel. And fewer explosions in places you don't want explosions.